My name is Dr. Lou Jacobs, and this is my 20-day masterclass for low back pain health, prevention, and relief. Today, we're going to do low back twists. It's a super easy exercise. This video is going to be less than a minute. Here's what you do. You lie on your back, on the bed, on the floor, or on the couch. Couch is not as good as some of the others, though. All right? Legs up like this, bent. And then you drop them to the side like this. And then you drop them to the other side like this. And you hold, and you can put your arms out like this. You hold this position for 20, 30, 60 seconds. And then you do the other side. It stretches the low back, stretches your obliques, stretches your core. It's a great exercise. It's super easy. It should not be painful. It should just feel good. If it doesn't, seek help. Find an expert. Find somebody like me that can help you navigate the aches and pains. But otherwise, you should be able to do this on your own. All right, I went over by 20 seconds. This is Dr. Lou Jacobs, Jacobs Chiropractic Acupuncture Center in Portland, Maine. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye.
1, 2, 3, 4.